I just wanted to say the channel's been growing pretty steadily. We eclipsed 400,000 total channel views and 810 subscribers. Got a little more than that, I think, in the 820s now. And I was just going to say, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like. Go ahead and comment if you have anything you want to see or anything cool that you want to say, and make sure you subscribe. Let's get these numbers up. If I can start growing this channel, hit 1,000 subs, maybe I'll do a giveaway or something. Yeah, that ain't good. Little brake boost. What's up, everybody? So we are warming up, well, I am warming up the probe right now, and I'm going to go out and do another data log, hopefully a third gear pull all the way through the gear like you would do on the dyno. I'm going to try and do it all the way to the fuel cut this time if I can, and then it should be about 22 and a half pounds, maybe as high as 23, so we will see. I turned it up a little bit. When I was at 21.7 pounds, that was 80% duty cycle at a 10.9 AFR. So I'm thinking leaned out to 11.2 or so. We should be good for probably 23 to 24 pounds before it's out of fuel, so we will see. Alright, so this time on this run I brake boosted to begin with, and at 2700 RPM I was at 6.4 pounds of boost in third gear. However, I was not at full throttle during the brake boost. The max throttle that I was 56.9 TPS, and at 2700 RPM, actually it built, I had 5 pounds of boost at 2700 RPM. Ended up building a total of about 5.8 pounds of boost before I went full throttle. 6 pounds of boost, 2700 RPM. And then I let off the brakes, went full throttle. 2800, 3000, 7.2 pounds of boost, 8 pounds of boost, 3100, 10 pounds at 33, 15, 17, 20 pounds of boost at 39.66, So it looks like we hit 24. Oh, wow. 24 pounds of boost. 81% duty cycle. Stayed a good AFR 11.2 coming into the boost. Right where I wanted it. And then it does fall off a little bit rich. 1090, 11.0, 11.1, 1090. I ran it out to a peak RPM of 6,087, which was where the fuel cut was. Max duty of 89.9%. A max boost of 25.2 pounds. That's a little bit more than I was trying to run. But I mean, it happens, I guess. And at our peak, which was right here, 25 pounds of boost, 11.1 AFR, 87% duty cycle. That was 16 degrees of timing. 25 pounds, no wonder the damn thing took off so hard. Yeah, she's a beast, man. I did not think that she was going to be pulling like that. But yeah, that's 25 pounds of boost. Ooh, buddy.